So do you know what is immune system? Okay. So all life process involved in identifying unwanted parts and infection causing agents and destroying them categorically without affecting the healthy cells. So this immunity power, this WB cells, white blood cells, without affecting the healthy cells, they kill the unhealthy cells and unhealthy microbes. Okay, that means what are the causing diseases? In certain situations, the infected tissues may have an extreme general effect like an HIV infection. The virus goes to the immune system and damages its function. First of all, HIV virus, what they do means immediately they enter into the immune system. So immune system, first of all, they kill all the WBC cells. That is why immunity power will be very, very less those who get the HIV, and it will change into chronic disease. That means long period distance, and it causes death. And they get all kinds of sicknesses one after the other. Okay, so it no longer it can fight off, and many minor infections like cough, cold, diarrhea, and losing the blood. So diarrhea, when they go to for the motion, through the diarrhea blood also will be going. So like that, so many sicknesses they get. Okay, so it is also important to remember that severity of disease manifestation depend on the number of microbes in the body. Number of microbes, that means microorganism, the bacteria, if it is multiplied, that means dividing so many microbes means, so sickness will become very severe, and less microbes, sickness will be mild, that means less sickness. Acute disease, short period sickness. For example, coronavirus, as soon as it enter into the lungs, immediately it will be so many, it will divide, multiplication, it will divide into so many lakhs and lakhs of organisms, microbes. That is why it is very difficult to cure coronavirus. Okay, so that is the one. So immune system plays a major role in prevention of disease. Explain this statement with respect to AIDS. Okay, so here, and the next one, we live in an environment that is full of many other creatures apart from us. It is inevitable that many diseases will be transmitted by other animals, and through animals also we get the sicknesses. Corona came through the animals only to us. Okay, so many sicknesses, understand? So like mosquitoes, more mosquitoes, which brings the more sicknesses. Okay, the next one, prevention and treatment. Prevention means what? Nivaran, and treatment means davaiya lena hena treatment. So how to nivaran? Okay, how to stop the sicknesses? Based on what we have learned so far, it would appear that there are two ways to treat an infectious diseases. So those who get the sickness, there are two ways to get the treatment. First one is the by reducing the effect of the disease. Reducing means कम करना है, और disease कैसे कम करना है. और दूसरा by killing the cause of the disease, that means killing the microbes or microorganisms, bacteria, fungus, virus, which causes the diseases. The first one is the how to reduce the symptoms. For the first, we can provide treatment that will reduce the symptoms. The symptoms are usually because of inflammation. For example, inflammation means mostly multiplication of the microorganisms, like bacteria, fungus and virus, multiplication. For example, we can take medicines that bring down fever. Fever to bring down, so reduce pain or arrest loose motions. We can take bed rest. So mostly for so many sicknesses, what is the good medicine is the bed rest. So taking more rest can regain our energy. Again we can get our energy. We can conserve energy. Conserve means we can protect our energy. Again we can get the energy. This will enable us to have more of it available to focus on healing. But healing means becoming all right. Okay, by this kind of symptoms, directed treatment by itself will not destroy the infecting microbes, and the disease will not be cured by may recur. For example, if we take medicine to reduce the fever caused due to an infection, the fever goes away for some time only to recur again. Okay, so when we take the rest, sometime we will feel easy in the body, but again we get that sickness. again we get the fever. So that time we must go to the hospital, and in the hospital they give the medicines or vaccines. The injections what they are giving na, that injections are the vaccines or antibiotics which kills the microbes in the body. We need to be able to kill off the microbes. Microbes means virus, bacteria, fungi, by identifying them. These days there are several ways of testing that can give very specific results. Okay, and when they do the test like blood test, urine test or feces test, they can know which sickness we have. According to that they give us the vaccines. Okay, so to be all right. Thus, by testing the sputum, mucus or cough, that means when we cough, sometimes some yellow color, white color will fall down, na? That is the sputum, mucus or cough. Of cough, blood, urine or stool tests they do. Stool means 2 bathroom, na? Urine means 1 bathroom. Okay, number 1, number 2, and they do that test also to know which sickness we have. The infective agent is determined and the doctor prescribes medicines accordingly. According to the sickness, doctor prescribes means doctor gives the medicines. Blood test confirm the presence of malaria and the patient is then given a certain dosage of drugs. And those who get the malaria, they get the medicines. Malaria can be found out through the blood test. And then dosage of drugs. Dosage of drugs means they give the dosage, that means morning 1 tablet, evening 1 tablet. We should take like that only. If the 2 morning tablet, night tablet, if we take one time, so we get another sickness. That is why we should follow the doctor regulations and rules. Doctor will say 1 tablet you take morning, another tablet you take night, and 1 tablet you take kali pet, na, empty stomach. So we should follow that one. Otherwise if we failed morning forgetting and taking night means it can cause the another sickness. It will be dangerous to the health. Okay, that can cure malaria. Taking the doses of drugs, according to the doctor says we should take the drugs means medicines. Okay, so davaya, medicines which can cure. Cure means cure or healing. The meaning of the cure and healing means that means becoming all right. Understand? So that is the one. So okay.